clicked on this video, I know that you are ready to change your life just like me. You're tired of doing the same things over and over and over again and not living the life that you dream of, not being the person that you know you can be. I'm right there with you. I have been going through a lot of stuff recently, and we can talk about that another day. But one thing that will help you and get you through hard times and really build yourself up to be the person that you want to be is your habits. We're going to talk about some of the habits that really changed my life this year. The good news is they are simple. They are easy habits that you can do, habits that will be low effort for you. And if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and if you've been watching my channel for some time and you still haven't committed to that subscribe button. If you enjoy the content that I create, I would really appreciate a subscribe and a like. I really appreciate each and one of you guys. I have 12 things with a bonus of 2. I think it's like 14 things. Habit number 1 is the 3-2-1 method. I love little acronyms like this. Self-diagnosed ADHD brain eats these up. 3-2-1 method, you probably heard of it before if you're really into self-help like I am, but this has really helped change my night routines. What it stands for is no food 3 hours before bed, no work 2 hours before bed, and no screens 1 hour before bed. That last one is so freaking hard, okay? That's something that I definitely am still working on, but this will transform your night routines. Oh, and I forgot, my new favorite product, my Ultra Human Air Ring. They were kind enough to let me try the product out and give my honest opinion. Been using it for like a week, this whole week now. This is one of my favorite things that I have in my wellness kit, wellness journey, wellness products. It's so interesting to me, like how I can get all of these health data just from this ring. Like, it's amazing. I've been using this to help with my night routine, help with my sleeping, help with my stress, movement, everything. They give you so many tips and things like on what to do to help improve your sleep 2 hours before you really want to be winding down and relaxing. So yeah, and then the 1 hour before bedtime, you want to eliminate, they say, all blue lights. I have my timer go off for one of my light bulbs. It instantly turns red at around 9 10 o'clock. But we can jump into habit number 2, which kind of helps with this. So for habit number 2, put a timer on your TV. If you know you're like me and you like to sleep to your show or sleep to a movie, and set it to a certain time for it to turn off. Like 30 minutes, it'll turn off after 30 minutes. And after that time turns off, you don't turn it back on. You can put your remote across the room, because I know none of us is getting up for that remote anyway. Normally, I'm asleep before the timer even goes off. You know, it's still not the best because you are getting exposed to that light before sleep, which is not that great. But habit number 3 is to do a 10 to 15 minute closing shift every night if you can. And it really doesn't have to be nothing crazy. It can just be putting things back in their place. 10 to 15 minutes. And I really find that when I put my timer on, it can be 10 minutes, y'all. I really be finishing in 5 minutes. I be thinking me straightening up and cleaning and all that stuff is gonna take like 30 minutes to an hour, so I just avoid doing it. But when you set a timer, it really forces you to see how fast you can really clean up a space. Like, it really doesn't take that long. I set my 10-minute timer and I'm sitting there like, okay, I need to find more things to do because the timer still hasn't gone off, and I'm like, has it really been 10 minutes? My whole room is clean. But the 10 to 15 minute shifts, it really helps because you don't want to wake up in the morning and your space is a mess. There's nothing worse than waking up to a dirty space and just starting your day off annoyed because you need to clean it. I hate it. I hate that. Nobody likes doing huge cleanups at the end of the week, but when you clean every day, it makes it really easy. So another little habit that's tied to keeping your space clean, and this is habit number 4, it is the you touch it, you deal with it rule. I heard another YouTuber say this. Don't put something down, put it back. This has really helped with, again, keeping those spaces clean so you're not having to do long cleanup closing sessions or long weekly resets. It's so simple, it's so easy. I feel like it also kind of turns it into a game in a sense. Turning things into games, I feel like, helps, especially with cleaning. Habit number 5, open your blinds or turn on a light if the sun isn't out. Or even better, step outside first thing in the morning. There is scientific research based on getting light first thing in the morning, especially sunlight, that helps with your circadian rhythm, if I'm saying that correct, helping you feel more awake in the morning. Also, if you feel really groggy, if you're the type of person you're not a morning person at all, or you're just really tired in the morning, I find that when I turn on a bright light, something just snaps in my brain and I'm like, okay, we're up for the day. Sunlight is just different. Like, something about getting fresh sunlight in the morning or seeing a sunrise, there's nothing more peaceful than that. Like, it's everything. I love it. I love me a good sunrise. It really helps you throughout your day and even helps you with falling asleep better at night too. Habit number 6, it's you guys probably gonna be pissed at me. Listen, we had to incorporate water somehow. Also, this is your reminder to drink some water right now. It's not just drink water, guys. It's not, I promise. It's to drink lemon water, okay? What you want to do is drink lemon water first thing in the morning. And I noticed that this helped me so much with clearing up my system, TMI, but all my baddies got gut issues. But what's gonna help you is drinking lemon water before you drink coffee, before you eat anything. The lemon water will just clean you out. Not clean you out in that sense, but just really detoxify you. First thing in the morning. I feel like it also wakes me up too. It's a little basic, I can't lie. Everything can't be non-basic, okay? Like, some things really in life are just basic, like, and that's this habit. Take the stairs instead of the elevator if you can. Get those extra steps in. You'll feel accomplished, I'm not gonna lie. You won't feel tired. When you notice at the end of the day that you hit your 5,000 to 10,000 steps, you're gonna be happy that you took them stairs, okay? It's the little things in life that compound. They don't feel like much in the moment. You will see the difference. I'm telling you, there has to be an experiment of somebody who takes stairs versus somebody who takes the elevator. I'm telling you, it's out there. We gotta find it. Habit number 8 is really interesting little skincare habit that I started doing, and it is these 30-second facelift massages after I do my skincare. I seen like this TikTok or video where this lady was explaining how she does her face massages. So after I finish applying my moisturizer, after I do my skincare, you rub up on your forehead, you do your cheekbones, you make an L shape and you go like this. If I can find the video, I'll put it in the description box. You also go underneath the eyes and go up. So just doing it only takes like 30 seconds, probably less. Sometimes if I'm lazy, 10. Again, these are little things that really add up over time. Do a little 10-30 second face massage to help really build up your muscles in your face. I don't know. But yeah, that's something I've been doing. Number 9, I love this tip. I got it from a ADHD app that I downloaded that I had a free trial from, which was so freaking helpful with my undiagnosed ADHD. Instead of a to-do list, have a ta-da list. I don't know what it is with the word ta-da that made it like more fun to write down my wins throughout the day. I don't know. I feel like the pressure with a wins list, it makes me feel like the little things that I'm accomplishing aren't really wins. But when I say it's a ta-da list, like
anything could be ta-da, like
it's so stupid. Something so small, I write it on there. And this is something I've been doing. It really helps me not feel like a failure at the end of my day or at the end of the month, because I have this long list of things on my to-do list. Sometimes it's things, little things that come up that I accomplished that I want to celebrate too. I have all my to-dos for the day, and then I just copy and paste that into my weekly to-do list. So at the end of the week, I can look at all the things I did each day. And when I'm reviewing my year, or if I'm reviewing the quarter, I can see what I accomplished each month. And this has helped me really shape my mindset and like just celebrate me and celebrate every win, big or small. That's so important. If you don't do nothing, do this. Promise you, it will really help you look at yourself differently, your life differently, your goals differently, everything. Habit number 10 is to write down your routines, not just digitally, but also physically. Somewhere where you can see it and physically tick it off, okay? I have my routines on my Notion page. Yes, it was cute. It was pretty, I can't lie. I liked it. It was nice to look at, but did I check it every day? Absolutely not. I made my routine and I forgot about it. Morning would pull up and I'm just there doing whatever I want to do, not following my routine. So this is the basic version. I needed something quick and easy real quick, okay? Grab a piece of paper, write down your routine. You can see I have the morning routine on the front, and then I have the night routine on the back. These are the little habits that I want to do. I put some tape on it, and I just mark it down with a dry erase marker. I just erase it when it's done and start over for the new day. Don't get me wrong, I love digital planning, I love digital tracking, things like that. I still have my routines digitally. I do have it on Notion still, but now I use the reminders app. I have routines, my morning and night routine on there, and I really like using the reminders app because when I click something, it goes to the bottom. When I unclick it, it goes back to the spot that it was at. Whereas the notes app, it doesn't do that. So that's why I like using the reminders app. Yeah, I have it on here too digitally, just in case I don't have my little paper written around. But I do find that writing it down and ticking it off physically by hand, I feel like it's more of a dopamine hit than like tapping it on your phone. And sometimes it's hard to build a habit to even like go onto your phone, go into the space that you're keeping your routine, and then start clicking things through, you know? Whereas if it's just on a piece of paper laying on your desk, all you gotta do is just check it. It's already there. Habit number 11, it's kind of random, but when you're doing your face and your skincare and everything like that, if you are acne prone or you have special skincare that has like certain ingredients in it, you wanna make sure you let that sit on your face instead of washing it off immediately. I double cleanse, so when I do my first wash on my face, I rinse it off and then I apply my special face wash, which I use CeraVe's SA cleanser or Pan-Axel's benzoyl peroxide. What I do is I have that sit on my face for at least 2 minutes, and that's the perfect amount of time I need to brush my teeth, and then I finish rinsing off my face. You're letting your ingredients soak into your face. It's also recommended not to brush your teeth after you wash your face. So we're brushing our teeth and then we're finishing our face wash routine. It's also like a nice little habit stack, especially if you are just a morning brusher. Habit number 12, if you are against ChatGPT, you might not like this. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. I like to journal out my feelings a lot. Apple came out with a nice little app too. It's the journaling app, and they give you nice little prompts. If I want to type out my feelings and put it in my journal app, I'll use the app on my phone, and then what I'll do is I'll go into ChatGPT and I will drop my journal entries in there. And I wouldn't recommend putting all your super personal on ChatGPT. Like, let's not do that, just because you never know whose hand it might fall into one day. If I feel comfortable enough, I will drop my journal entry into ChatGPT and I will ask it to help me work through anything that's bothering me and help me come up with solutions on how to deal with certain issues in my life or issues that I'm going through at the time. Or I'm not gonna lie, ChatGPT is amazing. I've been getting some insightful ways on how to handle my situations and deal with certain things. If you don't like ChatGPT, don't do it. But I'm just saying, it's been great for me. Okay, now with our bonus little 2 micro habits. These things, again, have changed my life too this year, have really helped me. So 13 is to pick out your outfit the night before. I started doing this, and the amount of stress that is relieved off my shoulders in the morning,
The amount of time
that I am saved in the morning. Do not give yourself so many decisions in the morning time, y'all. Set yourself up for success. Some people go crazy and they put their outfit out for the week. I can't do that. I like to plan like the night before. I used to spend like 40 minutes picking an outfit in the morning, and sometimes I won't even be going anywhere. That's crazy. It saves me so much time. I know you're a fashion girly or person, and you like to dress up, you like to switch it up, so plan it out the night before so you're not stressing about it in the day of. Micro habit number 14 is to also plan your day out the night before. It really helps, y'all. If you're not gonna plan your day out the night before, let that be the first thing you do in the morning after you do your little self-care and stuff like that. Don't start your workday without a plan. One thing I'm learning too is to start time blocking. When I'm time blocking, I don't like to like put task A at 8 a.m. task B. That's too much, because listen, things happen, things change too quickly, and if I miss a time block, listen, my whole day is upside down. But time blocking is really easy because you just have certain blocks, and like you have a list of tasks that you're gonna do in that block. I think that's also called like time batching too, where you like put certain things that are similar together in a certain time block. But you want to just come up with some sort of plan for your day, and these habits have really helped shift or change my life this year. They're small. I feel like these are things that anybody can do, and it doesn't take much effort to do them. Start with just a few things on this list. I would say start with the things that you can add in your night routine. One thing I realized is you want to start with your night routine. That is everything. Everything else just falls into place. Like your morning routine stems from your night routine. I would focus on the night routine, the morning routine, and the weekly reset routine. Those are the things that I would start with. I still have to work on these things, but I noticed that they really make a big difference in my life. If you also have habits that made a big impact, big difference in your life, drop them down below so I can look at them, so anyone else watching this video can look at them, and we can all work on building a better, healthier, more intentional life together. If you haven't already, make sure you watch my mid-year reset. Also, if you have video recommendations that you want to see, let me know in the comments, along with your habits, big or small. And I will see you in the next video. I love you. Bye.